What's up, guys? Today I am doing a fidget spinner collection. So I got a lot of cool ones. So first, Green Bay fidget spinner. It has the Green Bay logo on it because Green Bay is my favorite football team, and it spins really smoothly. So the next one is a Yankee fidget spinner. It's like has the Yankee. New York Yankees, because it's an N and a Y crossed. This is a Yankee, and this right here is. And then we got this one. It's pretty cool. It's kind of rainbowish. It's got green right here, blue, and then purple, then orange, and it's pretty cool. Focus on the camera. I got a NASA fidget spinner, which is actually from NASA. If it'll focus, It's NASA, and it's blue. It has the NASA right here, as I just said it, and it's from NASA, where they launch off all the rocket ships. We got the coolest one out of them all. It's metal. So look at it. That is crazy cool, and it makes a noise and it jiggles because it's metal. And I got a few more. This is one of my first fidget spinners that broke oil, and it's a Superman fidget spinner. We got this fidget spinner, which is glow-in-the-dark one. Doesn't spin that good, and jiggles when you spin it. And it has like ball bearings, which are they're little missing one. Yeah, and it's missing one right here. My sister's, which is this one. It's metallic. It looks a little purple in the camera, but it's a little pink. It's pink. It's not purple. And yeah, that's my sister's. Then my sister has this one, which is just a pink normal fidget spinner. Which, yeah. And then this is one I didn't even know about fidget spinners. My sister showed me this one, and this is one of her. This was her first one, and really good.
From the emoji faces.
Yeah, and then there's a crying emoji. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it. And then there is, I don't know what this emoji is. I can't speak. Yeah. Then I have this fidget spinner. It's green, and it's kind of like this fidget spinner. Yeah, but green, and so yeah, goodbye.